Hello friend, my name is Kunal Kaushik and this is a quick review video of a wireless router, company name D-Link and model number DSL2750U, and this is M300 ADSL 2 plus modem router, and it comes with rated term N300, which is their bandwidth overall network. And the other one you will got over here is stream music transfer file, surf web and play online game. What that it means is, if I turn to the back side, you will able to find out there is a slot which comes in a blue color, which is, I don't think it's USB 3. It's you can plug it to 3G USB adapter and storage device like as you can see over here, your hard disk, pen drive, whatever you like, 3G data card, and you can access your 3G data card via Wi-Fi. You can convert it like a hotspot or Ethernet mode, and you can use multiple devices via your 3G modem, and this is a cool feature, I guess. And one more interesting thing that you able to watch over here, wireless on off switch, and yes, device, this is over here. I already using it. I already open this and using, and already watch its performance, how it works. I can say, as the box and the written document says, its network coverage is much more higher, as they claiming. I guess it's is the same as the one antenna do. I have the previous wireless modem that some issues with connecting problem that I am facing. That's why I purchased this one, and this one has very fast connecting. There is no any kind of connecting issue like you can watch sometime. There is a thing that always says like your troubleshooting. You have to troubleshoot your network connection in order to connect your Wi-Fi, and this is not done with this one. I get any kind of device and it connect at one click after you put your password, and there is no any kind of problem with connecting, but the coverage is the same with the single antenna do. But I personally don't feel any kind of difference with single or dual antenna, as by my previous wireless modem which have a single antenna. You got in this box a splitter, one for your phone, landline phone, and your modem, that's split into two. User menu that we don't need. If you habitual to install your modem, installation guide, only one thing that you have to concern, firstly you have to watch this one, the IP address that you need to put in your browser in order to access the the configuration settings and the username and password for first time, and admin, which is, and then once you enter, if you are habitual with the networking, then you don't need anything else than this one. We go to the laptop, and then I will show you the internal settings that you got for 3G, and another thing, uh, I guess in this particular model, uh, our model is this one, which means you have everything here. You got in this particular model, and you have each and every kind of feature that you personally like. It's 2.4 gigahertz frequency, which is a medium. You don't need much more higher bandwidth. In generally people buy high bandwidth like 5 gigahertz or 4 gigahertz bandwidth in order to get less interference between the another wireless device like mobile phones and radio wave, etc. And you will not get such kind of interference in 5 gigahertz, but in uh, more other type of devices you will not get connected like your mobile phones, and only high range laptop can able to connect with 5 gigahertz, but in this 2.4 gigahertz you can connect every devices very easily. So this is how it looks, a pretty look face and very fancy dancy look with dual antenna that makes you feel more range. But if you have too much rooms in in your house, then my suggestion, you have to put this modem at the middle room, not at the corner of your room, in order to get each and every place of your room to get the cover. So thanks for watching. My name is Kunal Kaushik, and this is my review about D-Link modem, model number 2750U. And thanks for watching. If you like my video, like. If you dislike my video, put dislike. And if you want to ask any question about this modem, I will happily answer it for you. And this is how your modem that you planning to buy, and it's worked really fine for me, and it will fine for you also. Just if you are not the person who are too far and thinking for it have two antenna, and you can get more additional coverage or double your coverage, then my suggestion, just it's not your product that you are going to buy. You have to think for extended Wi-Fi extender or anything else that extend your Wi-Fi range, not this one for your work. If you are thinking to use it at 40-meter away distance, then this Wi-Fi modem will not going to take that much coverage. And if you have too much wall or in your house, then it will also not able to get each and every corner to your room. Thanks for watching. Hello friend, and now we are at laptop mode, and now I'm going to show you there basically its interface inside the modern setup. We have to look at address bar 190 I already changed